EU RISE contributes to Europe's bold step towards the future space ecosystem. Funded by the European Union, this 24-month research and innovation project is driving the next frontier of space robotics. At its heart is in-space servicing, assembly, and manufacturing.
EURISE is developing building blocks, like a set of tools you have to compose a complex robotic system.
EURISE brings together existing robotic building blocks, from software frameworks to manipulators and modular satellite components, and integrates them into a realistic end-to-end mission scenario.
The first step toward autonomy is to have this vision in the loop of the control, for example. Like the robot is able to position itself looking with the markers that are installed on the part. And after you can think about a lot of things at mission level, meaning the robot is able to take decision autonomously if the assembly is deriving from what was planned, for example, and readapt its operation to perform the assembly autonomously.
EURISE takes an open source approach. By promoting open standards and interoperability, lowering barriers to entry and enabling new players to contribute to the emerging in-space economy.
The idea around this open source strategy is to make accessible the things we are developing inside the project. And by that, we will have more and more users about the things we are developing. And so we'll have more feedback and make the thing more reliable to be used in space.
I think it goes in line with the reuse, recycle of the new space philosophy.
The technologies validated in EURISE also have dual-use potential, adaptable to both civilian and security-related space missions.
This allows us to have an independent position, that Europe can deploy its space economy independently from the rest of the world, and this is crucial.
The members of the EURISE consortium share a vision for a sustainable, modular and competitive European space ecosystem that creates opportunities for innovation.